I was finally able to get the house put back together with the installation of the siding. Installing vinyl siding is a lot of rinse and repeat, a lot of cutting, a lot of measuring. Sometimes getting the measurements is a little challenge when you're by yourself, but it is not impossible, and I'm happy with how smooth it went. This particular house, as you can see coming up, has a lot of angles, has a lot of walls going in different directions, so there was a lot of cutting. The key was to make sure that the pattern at the same level wrapped around the house, keeping everything in line, and I'm happy with how that turned out. This view gives you a better idea of the various angles that I had to do, both from wall to wall and from where the wall meets the underside of the porch roof. The siding provides a fresh, clean look to the front side of the house.